what every diabetic need to know about their eye disease. Why this topic is very important? Because India is becoming a global hub for diabetes, and usually diabetic patients care about their blood sugar, kidney profile, or their feet problems to control their HbA1c. But usually they are not aware about their eye problems related to the diabetes. So diabetic eye disease can start even starting of any symptoms, and many times patients are not aware of any diabetic eye changes they are having. So diabetes in patients can lead to the diabetic eye disease, as well as there are early chances of cataract formation, as well as early chances of glaucoma. Why this happens? Because of the diabetes, the blood vessels of the eye get damaged, and there is a leakage, or there can be a blockage of the blood vessels, which lead to the diabetic eye disease, which can lead to the edema and which can lead to the decrease in vision. So what patients feel or have the symptoms due to the diabetes, there can be a decrease in the vision or fluctuating vision. There can be sudden loss of vision, there can be black spots in front of the eyes. But why to wait till that late? So what is more important? Yearly checkup for a diabetic patients. For a type 2 diabetes patients, a checkup should be yearly, and first at the time of the diagnosis and then yearly. For a type 1 diabetic patients, after 5 years of diagnosis and then yearly eye checkup is very important. And how to protect the eyes in case of the diabetic patients: control blood sugars, as well as control HbA1c, control BP and cholesterol levels, as well as regular exercise, quit smoking, and follow healthy diet. So diabetes is a silent killer. So yearly checkup is an insurance to the good vision in the long term.